Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where learning English is made easy, practical, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I am Clark. Hello everyone. Today we are stepping into one of the most popular places on the planet, but one that famously has its own unique vocabulary and ordering rules. We are talking about how to order and speak at Starbucks.
Oh, this is a legendary topic. Ordering coffee in English can feel like learning a whole new language, especially at Starbucks with their special sizing words like tall, grande, and venti, and all the custom options for milk, sweetness, and temperature.
Exactly. If you don't know the proper sequence or the right words, you might get a massive icy drink when you actually wanted a small hot one. Today, we are breaking down the essential phrases into 4 clear steps: selecting your size and base drink, customizing your milk and flavors, ordering snacks or breakfast items, and handling payment at the pickup counter.
We will practice these phrases naturally together. Before we begin, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button, click the like icon, and share this episode with a friend who loves coffee. Let's step right up to the register with step 1, sizes and base drinks.
When you get to the front of the line, the barista will ask what they can get started for you. Remember Starbucks sizes. Tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large. Let's practice the core orders. Phrase 1.
Hi, can I get a hot grande latte to go, please?
I'd like to try an iced venti caramel macchiato with extra ice.
Could I please get a tall, freshly brewed drip coffee, regular roast?
Can you do a hot grande flat white, but make it decaf, please?
Hi, what exactly is the difference between a cold brew coffee and a standard iced coffee?
I'll take a venti pink drink with strawberries, if you have it available today.
Could I get a shot of espresso on the side in a separate small cup?
Can I get a hot grande matcha green tea latte, please?
Is it possible to get a venti iced black tea, but completely unsweetened?
I'd like a tall hot chocolate, but could you make it kids temperature so it's not boiling?
Fantastic start. In phrase 4, speaker 1 used the term decaf. Decaf is short for decaffeinated, meaning the coffee beans have had almost all of their caffeine removed. It's perfect if you love the taste of coffee, but want to drink it late in the evening.
The real magic and the trickiest part of Starbucks is customizing your beverage. You can change the milk, adjust the syrup pumps, or add toppings. Let's practice making a drink exactly the way you like it.
Phrase 11. Can you swap the whole milk for oat milk in that latte, please?
I'd like to get that iced coffee, but with only 2 pumps of vanilla syrup instead of the usual amount.
Could you add a splash of almond milk and a sprinkle of cinnamon on top?
Can I get that macchiato made with skim milk and extra caramel drizzle inside the cup?
I'd prefer that beverage with no whipped cream on top, thank you.
Could you please add an extra shot of espresso to my grande Americano to make it stronger?
Is your pumpkin spice syrup back on the menu yet, or is it out of season?
Can you make my mocha extra hot? I have a long walk back to the office.
I'd like to substitute the white mocha sauce for sugar-free vanilla syrup, please.
Could you put some sweet cream cold foam on top of my iced Americano?
Can I get that blended frappuccino made light with less base syrup?
Please leave a little bit of room for cream at the top of my hot coffee.
Could you use coconut milk for the base of my refresher drink today?
I'd like half calf, meaning half regular espresso and half decaf, please.
Can you blend my iced coffee so it has a smooth, slushy consistency?
Brilliantly customized! In phrase 22, speaker 1 asked the barista to leave a little bit of room. This means you don't want the coffee filled completely to the absolute brim of the cup. It gives you space to walk over to the condiment bar and pour in your own milk or sugar without it spilling over your hands with steam.
Starbucks isn't just about liquid energy. They have a glass display case full of pastries, sandwiches, and cake pops. Let's practice how to add food to your morning order.
I'd also like to get one of those butter croissants from the bakery display. Could you please warm up the chocolate chip cookie for me? Can I get the bacon, Gouda, and egg breakfast sandwich heated up?
Do you happen to have any gluten-free or vegan snack options available today?
I'll take a slice of the iced lemon loaf cake to go with my tea.
Could I get a knife and a small packet of butter on the side for my bagel?
Are those spinach and feta egg white wraps completely sold out this morning?
I'll take 2 chocolate cake pops for my kids, please.
Could you keep the sandwich in its wrapper after you heat it up so it stays warm? Can I get a blueberry muffin, but don't bother warming it up. I'll eat it cold.
Now you are completing the transaction. The barista will ask for your name to write on the cup, take your payment, and tell you where to collect your items. Let's practice these final interactive steps. Phrase 36. I'd like to scan the barcode on my Starbucks mobile app to pay and earn stars. Phrase 37. The name for the order is Shake, spelled S-H-A-I-K-H. Phrase 38. Can I reload my digital reward card with $20 using this credit card? Phrase 39. Is this the counter where I wait for my hot food items, or do they come out over there? Phrase 40. Excuse me, I ordered an iced latte, but I think this drink on the counter is a hot mocha. Phrase 41. Could I please get a cardboard cup sleeve? This cup is burning my hands. Phrase 42. Where can I find the plastic straws, napkins, and wooden stir sticks? Phrase 43. Can I get a paper carrier bag? I have to carry 4 large drinks back to my office. Phrase 44. Is the guest Wi-Fi network password protected, or can I just sign in directly? Phrase 45. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and stay caffeinated.
Now, let's listen to how a few of these phrases flow together seamlessly in a real, short role-play scenario. Speaker 1 will play the Starbucks barista, and Speaker 2 will be the customer. Let's listen.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi there. Can I get an iced Grande caramel macchiato, please?
You got it. Grande iced caramel macchiato. Do you want standard whole milk with that, or would you prefer an alternative like oat or almond milk?
Can you swap the whole milk for oat milk, please? And I'd like it with only 2 pumps of vanilla syrup instead of the usual amount. I don't want it too sweet.
Oat milk, half sweet vanilla, extra caramel drizzle on top. Perfect. Are we adding any breakfast sandwiches or bakery treats to your morning order today?
Yes, actually. I'd also like to get one of those butter croissants from the bakery display. Could you please warm it up for me?
Sure thing. I'll pop that in the oven right now. Can I get a name for your cup?
The name for the order is Shake.
Got it, Shake. Your total altogether comes out to $11.40. Whenever you're ready, you can scan your app or tap your card on the reader below. Perfect. It went through. You can head right down to the far end of the counter under the pickup sign. Your warmed croissant and iced macchiato will be ready for you in just a couple of minutes.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your help.
And that is how you conquer your Starbucks run completely in English. You did a fantastic job following along today.
Yes, exceptional work. The next time you step into a busy coffee house, you don't have to feel overwhelmed by the fast pacing or the massive menu options. You have the exact formula to order like a pro.
If this lesson helped add a boost to your everyday conversational English confidence, please remember to subscribe to our channel, give this episode a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your favorite coffee order.
Until our next class, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.
Bye, everyone.